Greetings, Poindexters. Jordin Goff here, writer, director, etc. of
Dinosaurs in a Mining Facility.
Northern Kentucky's greatest no-budget sci-fi dinosaur epic. Today is a monumental occasion. 12 years ago, not to the day, but 12 years ago nonetheless, my brother Christian Goff and one of our best friends, Jacob Stevens, came up with the title for a film, Dinosaurs in a Mining Facility, and shot a mock trailer. 8 years ago, I decided to turn it into a feature film, and 5 years after that, it was complete. So it's been a 12-year journey from the original idea to this package arriving from Canada. 40 copies of our debut feature film, Dinosaurs in a Mining Facility, lovingly hand-created by Justin Kalu, purveyor of physical media for forgotten or otherwise ignored films, lovingly handcrafted in his apartment in Toronto. Truly doing the important work in this world. We've sold 181 copies of this so far. Thank you to everyone who has purchased one, and to everyone who has reviewed one or posted about it or told their friends about it. Every little bit helps to spread the word. I'm a very delicate package opener, much to the chagrin of my family at Christmas time. Just opened it already. I am the janitor here, so I will have to clean that up momentarily. This right here, this is the Declue touch. This is the extra little bit of love and care. Oh my God. They're so beautiful. This is my first time seeing these. It's pretty emotional. Five years of work on this, 6 additional months of work on the excessively long making of that is exclusively on this disc. Cover art by frequent Gold Ninja collaborator Andrew Barr. Look at that. Look at that shit. Hand numbered. And inside, introduction by me and a lot of little storyboards from the film. I won't show you all of them, give you an incentive to purchase. It's so deep, they just keep going. It's a long journey to get from a kind of ambiguous idea to this physical object. Everyone's little ideas and improv moments, everyone's contribution, all the time that people put into this, it's all right here. And it's just this one tangible object, which is some insane kind of creative alchemy. I hope these find good homes on the shelves of Poindexters across the planet.